The secret nobody wants you to know. What if I told you there's one secret that separates the people who achieve their dreams from those who spend their lives wishing? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's not intelligence. In fact, it's something so simple that most people ignore it completely. And that's exactly why it works. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this secret can change your life, and why almost nobody is willing to accept it. We all want success, more money, better health, stronger relationships, more confidence. But most people are looking for a shortcut. They search for the perfect strategy, the perfect motivation, or the perfect moment to begin. The truth is, that perfect moment never comes. And that's the secret nobody wants to hear. The hardest truth. Success is incredibly ordinary. It isn't built by one life-changing decision. It's built by thousands of tiny decisions that nobody notices. Getting up when you don't feel like it. Saving money instead of spending it. Reading 10 pages instead of scrolling for an hour. Taking a walk instead of making another excuse. Practicing your skill when nobody is watching. These actions don't look impressive. They don't go viral. They don't earn instant applause. But over time, they become impossible to ignore. The problem is that our brains crave immediate rewards. We want results today. When they don't arrive quickly, we assume the effort isn't working. So we quit. Not because the goal was impossible, but because progress was invisible. The illusion of overnight success. Think about the people you admire. The successful entrepreneur. The athlete. The musician. The creator. From the outside, it looks like they suddenly appeared. But what you don't see are the years of invisible work. The failures. The rejection. The boring repetition. The mornings they wanted to quit. The nights nobody believed in them. Success isn't created overnight. It's revealed overnight after years of preparation. The world celebrates the final result. It rarely notices the thousands of quiet moments that made it possible. Why most people never change. Here's another truth that's difficult to accept. Your future is being created by what you repeatedly do, not by what you occasionally do. One workout won't make you fit. One investment won't make you wealthy. One book won't make you wise. One day of discipline won't transform your life. But repeat those actions hundreds of times, and everything changes. The biggest obstacle isn't failure. It's inconsistency. People quit because they expect dramatic progress. Life rewards consistency instead. Every small choice is a vote for the person you're becoming. The question is, who are you voting for today? So here's the secret nobody wants to know. There is no secret. There is only consistent action. The people you admire aren't different because they discovered hidden knowledge. They're different because they kept going when it became boring, when it became difficult, when nobody was watching, when there was no guarantee of success. Remember this, your life 1 year from now will be shaped by the small choices you make today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. So don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for confidence. Don't wait until everything feels perfect. Start with one small action, then another, and another. Because the future you dream about isn't built in one extraordinary moment. It's built one ordinary day at a time. If this message helped you see success differently, leave a like, subscribe for more psychology, self-improvement, and financial mindset videos, and remember, the life you want is waiting on the other side of the actions most people are unwilling to repeat. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I hope this video reminded you that extraordinary results come from the small actions you choose to repeat every single day. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.